Welcome to Agri Gadget Picks. Upgrade your yard maintenance with effortless precision. The best cordless line trimmer delivers powerful cutting, tangle-free operation, and long-lasting battery life, making lawn edges neat and tidy without the hassle of cords or complicated setups. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. JAGROM 20V Line Trimmer. The JAGROM 20V Line Trimmer is a dependable 2-in-1 cordless tool that makes yard work simple and efficient. It easily switches between trimmer and edger modes with a quick adjustment of the head or shaft angle, helping you achieve clean, professional-looking results around edges and borders. Delivering 9,500 RPM of power and a 12-inch cutting width, it trims through thick grass and weeds effortlessly. The package includes two 2.0 Ah lithium-ion batteries, giving up to 40 minutes of runtime, perfect for small to medium lawns. Its foldable shaft saves space, and the 90-degree adjustable cutting head with a 180-degree handle ensures comfort and flexibility during use. Designed for convenience, it features quick assembly and an ergonomic handle that makes it easy for anyone to operate. With a lightweight body, simple controls, and efficient cutting performance, the JAGROM 20V Line Trimmer offers a reliable and comfortable way to maintain a well-kept garden. Number 2. VARSK 20V Line Trimmer. The VARSK 20V Line Trimmer is a versatile and lightweight tool designed for quick, precise yard maintenance. Its 2-in-1 function lets you switch between trimming and edging in seconds, giving you cleaner borders and evenly cut grass. Powered by an 8,700 RPM motor, it handles tough weeds and thick patches with ease. The smart auto-feed line system automatically adjusts the line length during use, saving time and ensuring smooth operation without interruptions. It includes two 2.0H lithium-ion batteries that deliver about 30 minutes of cordless power, along with fast charging for extended sessions. The trimmer weighs just 5.3 pounds and features a 180-degree adjustable handle and 80-degree pivoting cutting head for greater control in hard-to-reach spots. The stabilizer wheel allows for perfect edging results along walkways and driveways. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, the VARSK 20V Line Trimmer provides excellent balance, long-lasting performance, and professional quality results for any yard. Number 3. LPSUK 20V Line Trimmer. The LPSUK 20V Line Trimmer combines power and comfort for effortless lawn care. This 2-in-1 cordless tool quickly converts from a trimmer to an edger with a single button press, giving you clean, sharp lines around flower beds, fences, and sidewalks. Featuring a telescopic shaft adjustable between 38 and 49 inches, it provides comfortable handling for users of any height. Its 8,000 RPM motor and 12-inch cutting diameter ensure efficient trimming over large areas. The trimmer also includes 8 replacement spool lines for long-term use, along with a 2.0 Ah lithium-ion battery that fully charges in about 80 minutes for extended operation. With a 60-degree adjustable head and 180-degree rotating handle, it adapts easily to different trimming angles and spaces. Lightweight yet powerful, the LPSUK trimmer delivers reliable performance and easy handling, making it ideal for homeowners who want a well-manicured lawn with minimal effort and maximum comfort. Number 4. MZK 20V Line Trimmer. The MZK 20V Line Trimmer is a lightweight and efficient choice for everyday lawn maintenance. It features an upgraded 8,000 RPM motor that delivers consistent cutting power, making it easy to handle overgrown grass and tough weeds. With a 12-inch cutting diameter, it covers a wide area, helping you complete yard work faster. The automatic line feed system releases more trimming line when needed, allowing for smooth and continuous operation without stopping to make adjustments. Weighing only 6.3 pounds, the trimmer is comfortable to use thanks to its ergonomic handle and balanced design that reduce strain during long tasks. It comes with one built-in spool and 4 extra replacement spools, offering a year's worth of maintenance supplies. Compact and easy to operate, the MZK trimmer provides convenience, durability, and excellent cutting precision. An ideal cordless solution for keeping your yard neatly trimmed and looking great all season long. Number 5. Worx Nitro 20V Line Trimmer. The Worx Nitro 20V line trimmer delivers outstanding power, speed, and versatility for serious lawn care. Featuring a high-efficiency brushless motor, it runs longer, stronger, and more reliably than standard models. With a 13-inch dual-line cutting diameter, it covers larger areas in less time, giving precise results on every pass. Its 3-in-1 design easily transitions between trimmer, wheeled edger, and mini-mower modes, allowing you to handle multiple yard tasks with one tool. The command feed system lets you advance the line instantly with a button press, avoiding manual bumping. Compatible with the Worx PowerShare battery system, it can also power over 140 other tools. Weighing only 6.62 pounds, the trimmer features a pivoting head, adjustable handle, and telescopic shaft for comfort and control. Combining high performance with user-friendly design, the Worx Nitro 20V line trimmer offers professional quality results, long runtime, and unmatched convenience for home lawn care.
Thanks for watching our roundup of the best cordless line trimmers. We hope this guide helps you choose the perfect tool for a cleaner, well-manicured lawn. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and latest prices. Happy trimming!